Oh my gosh, guys, I wonder what's inside this mystery box. Let's open it up and take a look. But before we do that, I'm announcing a giveaway for my 100th video. So make sure you stay until the end to find out how you can enter to win your own squishy and slime set. I also want to say a huge thank you to all the people who have subscribed to my channel. Now onto the video. Oh my gosh, it's a slime and squishy haul, but pink only. I went to the store to find $100 worth of pink slime and squishies. And what a challenge that ended up being. Let's take a look at our squishy lineup. First off, we have Pink Panther. Next in the lineup is the set of 3 glitter hearts, and I rate this one a 7.5 out of 10. This giant sparkly donut feels super satisfying. Coming up next is this Temu Labubu. To be honest, he's a bit scary. My favorite out of the bunch is this giant taba squishy, naming her Sparkles. Leave your rating in the comments below. Now for the slime lineup. This pink clear slime kind of looks like jelly. Next up, we have this sugar cookie scented slime from Slimy. The next one I had already opened because the packaging was sorta awkward. Then we have this pink piggy or cat, I'm not actually sure. Last but not least is this pink bucket slime that smells just like peaches, so that's what I named her. Which slime is your favorite? For our first challenge, we have a slime and squishy matchup. This is the rating scale. I think Pink Panther matches well with Pink Piggy. The colors are a near perfect match. Now let's match Temu Labubu with Bubblegum Slime. They look the same to me. This one's gonna be hard because they're all different colors, but I think it matches with the pink crystal slime. Pretty good. This one is also a mix of colors, so I'm going with peaches. Not a perfect match though. Can you guess what we'll match this taba squishy with? Yes, we matched it with our sugar cookie slime, although not a perfect match. Slime and squishy stretch challenge. Who will win, squishy or slime? These look like they're gonna stretch. And did. Who will win? He looks even scarier pulled apart like this. Who will win? Bet this one will stretch just like the glitter hearts. But the slime is so pretty. Let's see how well Sparkles stretches. Who will win? Now let's rank them. Who will be number 5? Pink Piggy, you didn't really cut it, I'm sorry. And Temu Labubu, you're too scary. Coming in at number 4 is our pink glitter hearts and our pink crystal slime. She's pretty, but she doesn't stretch. And number 3, we've got Bubblegum and Pink Panther. Although I like the slime, she's not a top 2. Now for our top ranking slime and squishy. Coming in at number 2, we have our giant donut and our peach slime. You were great, but I can't beat this number 1. Can you guess what it is? She smells so good, and of course we have our Sparkles. Finally, the time you've all been waiting for, our giveaway. For prize 1, we have this purple and blue galaxy slime that comes with 2 add-ons. She looks so satisfying. And for prize 2, we have this blue icy slime. She also comes with 2 add-ons. But wait, there's more. The 2 giveaway winners will also receive a matching giant taba squishy. Look at how pretty they are. Comment down below which prize you'd like.
Wow!
So all you have to do to win one of these 2 prizes is like this video, subscribe to my channel, and comment what prize you'd like. Share for an extra entry and the winners will be announced in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye!